It turns out that some of the changes that some cancer cells undergo in order to become cancer cells, they kind of make a little bit of a deal with the devil. They say, you know what? I'll trade immortality, and this is what I'm going to give up. And it turns out that in a lot of cases, one of the things that they've given up is a natural defense mechanism against certain kinds of viruses. And as you can imagine, and as you know, there are thousands and thousands of different kinds of viruses. The one I'm going to talk about is called VSV. And it stands for vesicular stomatitis virus, which is why I'm going to call it VSV. So I'm going to show you a model here. It is a lung cancer model in mice, but we're dealing with human lung cancer cells. And what they've done is they've injected human lung cancer cells into the tail of the mice, and they form tumors in the lungs. The whole point of the exercise is, can the cancer-killing virus come to the rescue? And the answer is, oh yeah. Here is what a normal set of lungs looks like. There's the two mouse lungs, and there's the heart, nice pink, nice and clean. After you inject the human lung cancer tumor cells, that's what it looks like. The lung is just absolutely covered in nodules and tumors. So the first part of the experiment is, okay, now you've created a tumor. Now we're going to put the virus in and see what it does. First step is, where does the virus go? And so they used a biochemical trick, and they colored the virus green so that they could look under a certain kind of microscope and be able to look at where the green color is. And within 24 hours, what you see is that every one of these tumors is now colored green, with the exception of this little spot here where there's no color because, in fact, there was no tumor. So this says that within 24 hours, not only is the virus going to the tumor, the virus is going only to the tumor. And this is the key to it. It's highly, highly selective for tumor cells because it's exploiting a property of the tumor cell. It's not exploiting a property of the normal cell. So here's what the tumor-coated lungs look like. Treat with the virus now for 2 weeks, and the tumors are gone. The tumors are gone. And in fact, these are durable cures. The mice that have been treated with the virus, they all live normal mouse-length lives. And the ones that haven't been treated with the virus, unfortunately, they all succumb to the tumors. So you can see why this is a very, very exciting opportunity. And again, Canada is playing a huge role in this.